Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create pop-ups in your WordPress website. So on the left side, click on this plugins option, and here we are going to install a pop-up plugin. So click on add new plugin, and in the search bar type pop-up, and here you can see this is a plugin we are going to use, like pop-up builder. Okay, please do click on install now. After installing, click on activate option. So on the left side, after installing this pop-up plugin, pop-up builder plugin, you need to select this pop-up builder on the dashboard on the left side. Please click on this pop-up builder option. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And here you need to click on add new. So I'm using image. So click on this image option, and you need to name this pop-up name like a homepage pop-up, and scroll down. Here you need to upload an image. So let me select this image. Click on upload files, select files, and let me select this image. This is a banner I have created for web designing services. Okay, this is a pop-up. It is going to show on my website whenever anyone visits in my website. Okay, please just select this choose image, and here I have uploaded this image, and go to display rules, and here and on the left side here you need to select this display rules, and here we need to, so in the display rules you need to select where on the website a pop-up should be appeared. Okay, so enable this, and here I want the pop-up should be shown on my home page. Okay, let me select the home page, like here selected pages. Let me select this selected pages. After selecting this page, and here you need to select the page, so let me type home page. So in the home page the pop-up is going to be shown. Okay, and here I have selected the home page. Okay, and go to event section, and here you can select the onload. By whenever you visit a website, immediately the pop-up will be shown, and you can also add delay, like after 1 second or 10 seconds, 5 seconds you can add delay also. Let me put this as a default custom delay, and you can also add conditions. This is available in pro version, and in here in the diamond section you can select the pop-up size as responsive mode, like auto. Okay, and after adding these options, scroll up, and here click on publish option. So here click on publish, and after let me visit the website. So here you can see, so whenever someone visit my website, immediately the pop-up will appear or on my website like this. Okay, so if you want to remove these border lines also, go to pop-up section and click on edit, and here in the design section you can make this pop-up like themes type should be, select this option. Okay, and after selecting this option, click on update and go to website, and let me refresh this page once again. Here you can see the pop-up will appear like this. Okay, so if anyone wants to close this, they can click on this, or they can click on anywhere beside the pop-up. Okay, if you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.